Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, I hope you are doing good. This is your brother Imam Bello, and in this video I'm going to share with you the 3 basic and essential things you need to know when applying for scholarship in the Arabian countries. First and foremost, you must know your way around with computers. I mean, you must be able to use a computer. This is essential and important because majority of the courses that they offer have their exams written online. So it will be very difficult for you as an individual if you don't know how to use a computer. The second essential thing you must know is that English language and Arabic language is very important in applying for these scholarships. This is so because majority of the courses are being taught in English and in Arabic language, and there are other courses that are being taught in English language. So if you have not learned how to speak and write in Arabic and English, you will suffer one way or the other. Finally, it is very important for you to be a Hafiz, or at least commit to memory from Suratu Yassin to Suratu An-Nas. These 3 things must be noted carefully when applying for those scholarships in the Arabian countries. The first thing is you must be able to use a computer. The second thing is you must learn how to speak and write in English language and Arabic language. Finally, you must, or at least you must commit to memory from Suratu Yassin to Suratu An-Nas. Inshallah, I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants you success in your application. So if you find this video valuable and useful, consider sharing it to your friends for them to also benefit. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.